This is Mr. 722GJ doing another Transformers Dark of the Moon review. This time it is Deluxe Ratchet. So, redecoed with white and green. He's very green. Fire rescue. And then search and rescue with the roundabout sign there. Fire department. Same Hummer H2. He has rear windows this time. Same roof rack with the tire there. Mech Tech weapon. It's pretty cool, actually. It's this gun, then you pull this back, and a saw comes out. It spins. Because there's a little gear in there, and there's gear on the saw there, so it spins. And it's a really nice spin. Smooth. Yeah. So, Mech Tech weapon. Figure. So to transform it, I'm going to take these side panels, pull them to the side. Now, on this figure, on mine at least, this part right here is very loose and kept breaking off, but I had it fixed. I had a metal pin pushed through there so it doesn't keep coming off anymore. So, yeah, that problem's fixed. It's a very simple transformation. Take his arms out. Backpack, put it up, and stuff like that. So there is Dark of the Moon Deluxe Ratchet. In my opinion, better than the old Hunt for the Decepticons Revenge of the Fallen. Deluxe Ratchet. Now, he does stand, but because of the surface I'm on, he won't stand. But it's a very nice figure. His legs are straight. They look bent, but they're straight. The only reason they look bent is because the way it's cut out here. Now it looks like it's bent there, but his legs are straight. His Mech Tech weapon in his hand, and it still works. So, all in all, a solid figure. For his articulation, his head rotates 360 degrees, his arms rotate 360 degrees, go in and out like that, go up and down, biceps swivel, and like Megatron, a bicep bend, elbow joint, wrists go in and out a little bit, no waist articulation, legs go forward and back, in and out, rotate at the upper part of the leg, bend it 2 joints in the knee and foot, goes forward and back, side to side. So, like I said before, a very solid figure. So, yeah, oh, I forgot. You fold this bumper piece here down, fill in that gap. Okay, sorry about that. So, this has been my review of the Transformers Dark of the Moon Deluxe Class Ratchet. See ya.